Holo, currently trading, guys, at 0.004 with market cap about $800 million, ranked number 89 on the list, guys. So what is this cryptocurrency? It is a peer-to-peer distributed platform for hosting decentralized applications built using the Holochain, a framework for developing dApps that does not require the use of the blockchain technology. Now let's get into the stuff that you guys are looking for, where you guys can trade or hodl this cryptocurrency. Binance, Gate.io, Uniswap, Huobi Global, Bybit, Coin One, Crypto.com exchange. So let me see. I think they're on almost all the big ones. I don't see Coinbase on here, but I think besides Coinbase, they're on pretty much all the exchanges. So if you're looking for hodling, trading this, it's available, guys. Now when it comes to this crypto, guys, it does have a price rating. They got to be on with stable outlook. So it's in the top 40% of cryptocurrencies versus the ones that aren't. Now, I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but I do prefer cryptocurrencies. I do have a rating that versus the others. Let's check out their website, guys. This is holochain.org. If you want to learn more about their trusted security, their white paper, or just anything general when it comes to cryptocurrency, about this cryptocurrency, just check out their website, guys. You can learn more about the devs and stuff like that. But let's get into their news when it comes to Twitter. So Twitter, 114,000 followers. Posted something about 17 hours ago as I'm making this video, guys. So if you guys are looking for more news when it comes to what are they doing with this cryptocurrency, how they can be affecting you, if you're going to be trading hard on this, just check it out. But now let's get to that price prediction, guys. So now I have it on the monthly. Let's look at the big grand scheme of this crypto. So the high on this crypto was sitting at, let's see, the high was at 3 cents. 01 April 2021, and since there it's been more than cut in half. So when it comes to this cryptocurrency, guys, you can tell where the majority of the people are at. Are they buying into this crypto or shorting? I mean, for me, a lot of cryptocurrencies have been happening as of late or have been shorting, and I like to follow the money when it comes to trading cryptocurrencies in general. So right now, if I see this direction down, and I see that it is building a support, unlike other cryptos are kind of like free falling right now. This support right here, I want to see where it can maintain, because if it creates another doji right here on the monthly as a next bar. Now let me zoom up a little bit right here. So if it creates another doji right here and then starts slowly building up, then we can see Holo building up a base of buyers to head up to higher. But what I think is going to happen is that this bar is going to complete as a red for the month of April, and then head down lower to about to this point here, where this big massive end of this wick is at the 0.002. If it does that, then we might have a spike up, but it might just head down lower from there. Now, if you are buying this crypto, I'm not saying what to do with your money, but for me, if I was gonna get this crypto, I would wait for a pullback and wait for a pullback and get on to a short and short this position down lower. I wouldn't be interested in buying it unless there's a whole lot more, information on the charts telling me where to buy. Now, let's zoom in a little bit more. Let's get the weekly. So once again, guys, you can see that this pullback was massive. It went from about 0.0038, jumped up to 0.0069, and then it's basically collapsing from there, because the people who buy down here, obviously they're closing their positions and entering in possibly short positions to capitalize on the full move and heading down even lower. So if that happens, it hits down lower, guys, I wouldn't buy at all. I would look about even shorting the positions like I said before, and then hold and just keep shorting until I see enough information to head me out of the trade. But that's my price prediction, guys. I'm going to be going down to the bottom of this wick, and it'll be 0.0025. If you have any questions or comments, let me know, guys. Just a simple analysis. I just like to look at the major trend and see where the cryptocurrency is going. If you're looking for more technical analysis or more detail, just let me know. I can make a whole video about that. But let me get to my website, guys, AndreMcClendon.com. If you want to learn more about cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, custom indicators for trading, let me know. I can make indicators. So if you get into that, just contact me. The contacts are all at the bottom. But that's the video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.